Again, thank you Akon, Five Manila, L-Squared Production PH, syempre sa team ko, 1Z Entertainment and my band, at syempre Nuji po. Sa lahat ng 18 Hotdog at sa lahat ng supporters ng mga artists na nandito ngayon, mabuhay kayo. Wala kami dito ngayon sa itablado ko nila sa inyo. Doon po sa lahat po ng pinarform ko today, all the songs that I performed today are part of my latest album, Laon. Pero meron pa po akong few more songs na naka-release lang din sa album ko na Alon. So, I just released 2 albums this month. Sana po mapakinggan niyo po yan, Alon at Laon. And ayun po, i-design niyo po yung mga platforms na streaming platforms. Maraming salamat po. And kung gusto niyo po magkaroon ng update about me, just search Pablo. Ito na po yung lahat. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Also, one last thing, just want to share, I'm also one of the coaches of the Voice Kids. So, sana po, manood po kayo every Sunday po at 7 p.m. These kids are really brilliant. And ito na po, for my last song, if you're able to jump, sana po masabay niyo ako tumalon. We're here to party, we're here to enjoy. And gusto natin sila ba ni Mitya. So,